Today we are going to take a virtual visit inside the Church of Saint Sophia of the Roman Foundation. The church is dedicated to Saint Sophia and her three daughters, love, hope and faith. This is a cross indicating that it is a church. As we enter, we will see on the right side a painting of a crucifix based on the icon of a very famous Spanish painter called Velázquez. He lived in the 17th century AD. This is the place that we put the lit candles, a part of our ritual, of our masses. And this is the icon of the patron saint of the church, along with the icon of the saints that celebrate today. We head to the old sanctuary. All sanctuaries face east, but this one was very small, so they had to build a new and bigger one to be able to perform the masses correctly. We look at the places now that the santers sit and chant. In all Orthodox churches, on the left side of the sanctuary is the icon of the patron saint and the icon of Virgin Mary. On the right side is the icon of Jesus Christ and Saint John Baptist. This is the way to know the patron saint of the church, one left of Virgin Mary. The santers have two sides, one on the left, one on the right. This is the right one. This is called throne. It's for archbishops and official priests. This is how we lit the candles and put them. In order to lit a candle, we have to take them first. There is one place called bench, where all the candles are gathered and we take them. The money we put inside the bench is considered, and it is, a donation for the needs of the church. There are some candles made of beeswax, but more of them are synthetic. This is the symbol of two-headed eagle, Byzantine Empire. Icons that are donated to the church from people for health reasons mostly. And while we exit, we see the connection between the new and the old, with the wonderful view of the Parthenon.